Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Al Munir High School e-learning system. Nursery class, today we are going to do work on Al Hira maths workbook because we have to learn how to write 11 to 20. How to write the counting 11 to 20. So this is your Al Hira maths workbook. Before starting the work, we learn how to hold a pencil. Number one is put your thumb and forefinger just above the cone shaped part of the pencil. Let the pencil rest between your thumb and the forefinger. Let the pencil rest between your thumb and the forefinger. Then put your middle finger underneath for support. And put your middle finger underneath for support. This is the right way to hold the pencil, and don't do this. Pressure on the pointing finger and all fingers pulled into a fist. These two ways are the wrong ways to hold the pencil. Okay. Before starting to write 11 to 20 counting, we learned how to write the counting 11 to 20. We must write the counting in tens and units columns. In tens and units columns. Write one in how to write tens and what is tens and units. Tens, write 1 in tens place from 11 to 20. As you know very well, the numbers which starts from 0 to 9 are called the ones numbers, and the numbers which start from 11 to 99, these numbers are called tens numbers. And today we are writing the numbers from 11 to 20. So we are talking about the 11 to 20 numbers. First you write 1 in tens column. You can see this example. We have the number 14. You must write 1 in tens place and write 4 in units place. And this is the tens column and this is the units column. And 110 is equal to 10 ones, and 110 is equal to 10 ones. 110 is equal to 10 ones. Clear? 11 to 20. Let's read the count. Drill the counting. 1, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. How to write 11? We have two columns. The one column is tens column and the next one is units column. Write 1 in tens. Write R1. The first one we will write in the tens column. Write R1 in tens place. Then write another one in units place. This way we make 11. This way we make 11. This is the number 11. Now how to write 12? Write 1 in tens place. Write 1 in tens place. Then 2 in units place. Write 1 in tens place. Then 2 in units place. Clear? This is the way we make 12. And how to write 2? Make a curve with a slanting line and draw a sloping line at the end of the slanting line to write number 2. How to write 13? Now we must write 1 in tens place, then 3 in units place. 1 in tens place and 3 in units place. And we learned before 1 tens is equal to 10 ones. So this is the way we make 13. And how to write 1? Draw a standing line with a little curve to write 1 and make a curve, another curve to write number 3. So this is the way to write number 13. How to write 14? Write 1 in tens place, then 4 in units place. You can see we have to write 1 in tens place. This is the tens column, and write 4 in units place and 4 in units place. This is the way we make 14. How to write 15? How to write 15? Write 1 in tens place, then write 5 in units place. So this is the way we make 15. Let's count these boxes, blocks 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 and 15. Very good. Now how to write 16? Write 1 in tens place, write 1 in tens place and write 6 in units place. Write 1 in tens place, then write 6 in units place. This way we make 16. This way we make 16. These are 10 boxes, and how much these boxes? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. How to write 17? Write 1 in tens place, then write 7 in units place. Write 1 in tens place, then 7 in units place. This way we make 17. Remember that the units column is always at the right side and the tens column is always at the left side. So we always write 1 in the tens column, and we write 7 in the units place. And how to write number 18? Write 1 in tens column in tens place. This is the tens place, so write 1 in tens place and write 8 in units place. Then write 8 in units place. This way we make 18. How to write 19? The same way to write 19. Write 1 in tens place, then write 9 in units place. So this is the way we make 19. And how to write 20? So look carefully. Now write 2 in tens place and 0 in units place. Write 2 in tens place and 0 in units place. This way we make 20. And one more thing, nursery class, if you say that teacher said that we always write numbers 0 to 9 in units column, then why we are writing 2 in tens column? Because we have 2 and 0, 2-digit numbers, and these are 20. So it means we have 2 tens. It means we have 2 tens. That's why we are writing 2 in tens column and we are writing 0 in units place. Hopefully this is clear to you. Okay, let's count the balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We have learned 1 to 20. First we count these stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. These are 20 stars. Now learn this counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Very good. Now number chart, we have counting 1 to 50. Okay, now let's drill the counting. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 and 30 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 38 39 40 41 42 43 44 45 46 47 48 49 and 50. Very good. So our today's work has been done now. So you have to make practice to write counting from 11 to 20. So take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.